Web-based applications, there would be apps in which some or all parts of the software are downloaded from the web each time it's run and can usually be accessed from all web-capable mobile devices. These are typically coded in HTML and JavaScript. Native applications are apps that are designed to run on devices, operating system and firmware, and typically need to be adapted for different devices. Learning about web-based mobile apps is certainly important and relevant to the current industry. Well, first because the introduction of the App Store in 2008 opened up the iOS software development kit to third-party developers, significantly changing the playing field for native mobile applications. True interest in web apps just recently emerged within the past couple of years after Google's successful implementation of HTML5 based applications. Many application developers may choose to develop for native operating systems because of superior interface and the commercial opportunities the App Store presents. However, developers and publishers are now looking at the web in a whole new light due to its more expansive audience and quicker version updates. Though the knowledge and lack of commercial interest in web-based apps has kept their popularity at bay, it would be prudent to keep an eye on that market. Web-based apps are cheaper and quicker to produce. Skilled web developers are far more readily available than mobile app developers, and the W3C is leading a concerted effort to allow web-based apps access to device capabilities. All of those good reasons to keep an eye on web-based mobile applications. Apps I currently use and identifying whether they're native and or web-based or perhaps a hybrid mix of both. I, like many others, will use the typical native apps like Notes, Contacts, Voice Memo, which store the data locally. Even though that stored data can be sent via text or email, those apps are also local to the device, and I would not imagine they would rely on the web for their functionality. Now, photos and weather I would classify as hybrid apps, as information is stored both locally and then also sent to and received from the web. My banking application, I would imagine, would depend solely on the web, as this information is stored and retrieved from my banking institution directly and would not be stored locally on the device. This has been Michelle Goldman with PMA 3 and my synopsis of web-based versus native applications. Thank you.